na o de na twere ho a enyomo a mo anka so mo yiye wa ho kwaku hwe o wo kwa ben so se wo hwe no watu ni din yi a enchen commission ze wo force ho se obehye nkom akobe na no be ka kire o en commission o se ya na nde akolande kwabna gezi wota amaninya we mu office we nya amani a ende oyeden oba okase yemfa ne bon nche no ana bibia sesa
esuya no ma but what you want to you condemn and judge us it me panic chop your bomb pie man or I mean he's a breadwinner for a lot of people. So we and no I say me bomb pie I retract and I take it back. I'm sorry, that is not my nature. I'm sorry for all that hassle, but now my bread it's getting too much. Kennedy, we love you. And let's stop attacking the church because of you. A lot of people are not going to church, and it's not good. It's not good for you. It's not good for your account. Let him read the book of Philemon. People must go to church, regardless of however men of God and churches. The church is for God, and God has a way of working it out.
Na o kasauso unia penino no young man, very humble and respectful. What have you made the effort say can not whatever differences in marriage over?
No, in the first place, any differences there because number one, come anymore obepo. If he sees me, can whom here? Obe wants a Rolex na me ban bon, me Rolex maybe.
To begin with. Now, the catcher now is in commission. Asofo no enti asofo e bi nem enti omho asese hwe onyankopon ode enim nyam no ye onyankopon a meku aku ni omo asofo yi yintimi nkweti onyankopon enim nyam ene se nye wo na ba be force wo ho se me ba be hye enkom chinchina because onyankopon ese me meka cha asem no enti me catcher wo say the moment asofo e busu IGP the ding and one memo how my mother said the idea can find it. That moment in our pet and they set the collision course to say, woman start to say the iguase. Now, my the explanation is simple. One, when you will be in Chenemu. Number two, a software way should have allowed God to defend his word. Okay, the make catch us the one person who do Ayo. But they should have allowed God to defend his word. Or say, not some young feeding count, so what it means is that, see a beshankom, Nian Shankom, non commission if you know Yankupon Hono. Not yes, Mamma, the state authorities here, Mamma, and then allow God to defend his word. They are there. Monu Yankupon, and wasn't nearly to me, and not on one Casano Wedi. So, no, but almost someone, yes, sir. If you shall wait, my swagger, Mikwana, me, Yagana, Sam Nameka, the son of the gaze of a cow, saying Yagana, Sam, and Walker. Then Yagana, Sam, they are here for Eban Ascension and Nobeka, saying Yagana, Sam. Is here in South Africa for some any Emofia, or the Amofa fools, and I mean, who's that dinable either. Oh, one more Sam and a Walker. Meanwhile, no Wigina, the soil, no so Ghana, soil, no Walker assembly. Oh, and your how. Mesra wa musombe jaya womunyai na emwo obi kana sem se kwaku afi na mate wase se da bi o sana nya asofo so na utu sakeke na mbum mu pese mu dia ediaba bi wo man mu na o man we be ka be na me se na vi na wo hu kana na ye kan so mo se asofo ni ye se o mu nti ana na o mu kwado o mu ga asofo ni ye se o mu si ye se Kristo som. Now, now, 31st, and say, you dear, me boy. It will be a call 31st. Emma, 31st, no, or so for no toy, so yeah, they on one way or the other, no. At least you parted way without so for with some 10 Ghana be 20 Ghana be 100 Ghana be 200 Ghana be. And no, to the Koto Inshira, would the Koto Adam, would the Koto breakthrough, Emma home. In the 2022 and now the choir day. And no, a and a bit mania as a true Yankopon Assembly. Menu ding common ye, Nano, was it when? Was it the common Sunday another meal? Ye ding common ya pet. Enna Coffee TV. And so ye an address of a cock of Fred Nigeria, no, no, bet now. Not on an abedding, a bed interview. Is he? maybe I make a music with but just as I said, sir, Obisube to me take it on some journalists. Then Mankasa as an angel. The catcher will say, in as much as or as long as Kweku and then Kweku Boateng, the two Yakabo Moa, you two are soft also, sir. Obisube to me afa journalists, Jumanato knows a Mezumiku, two journalists of Obisusa, because we have a lot of irresponsible journalists in town. A same way make Kayana Manka. I won't say, you know, we are interview now. Omo sa Kofi Adoma no kokofa na Jege the better one. Obeta homu dis anko. Why? Me hu ma me di nim ni din, but ma me ne kasa pa me talk ma so yie. Nim ni din. There's YouTube be nam social media no mo no kwasem ni. Said we see Afrixe Kofi Adoma ne nkrofo no. Na esefata ye tese emu hu yie. Why? Obi betime take the crusade on journalists any style e di eduma say ensem fata. Reason why my many can't accept no, or pursue be Kofi Adoma say. That now coffee na Jege the better one yen, and one for so a bebre and enemy. No, there are lots of issues out there. It was a many who didn't come catch us as long as I 2022 years say you be focus on other matters near the no be also in there. The two when share see the asofon kwan in Umenya. We have a lot of diversity in opinion. And issues also we discuss. Why? Get into the latter part of the November, December. Obi who's discuss about judgment death and a whole document. Yet the Bosume who see her discuss judgment death. Into we doing contents and maybe I'm and so forth. No. So we kakra near the building near a blended near to show mine. Sani yeno. John, in the row or Kofa na Jege ZBC wono. Na me meka se kwap na gaze ne nyamane na so o pacha na Kofi TV for no na ese wo mo ankasa wo mo yeden ode ne how else ode koma wo. When we say there are certain languages bi wo mo asa language no. So we a presenter and a journalist now we interview nipa. Na sa asem e free nipa anoba wo journalist no. As I say, wutumi hu kwa abefa so asad no be nipa na twasan ana nipa no be sia be chwe no wama asem no enho wofra na ntama kakra keo 7 previous ora kwa me Japan ye minua peniem papa however boisterous however tough he is enem ade bebre nim no na your opinion bebre obi say Kweku no we jano no work the can be ope obi say Kweku jano man inflow Kweku waten se meboa una ye research ka se meboa. Many times I mean Kwame Japan a program. Baby, no, Kweku Janman flu, and they said there are some of that kind of sense. I'm out for the Janman flu. Janman flu. One shen one to two sadly, no woman in Panaqua coffee, Amania, Ediaba. One shen ya, no Okoka, send out of a buffo, Udi Example, many year program be more a buffo, a dear, didn't the year no, Anya Deno. Ona kwa me Japan fa ho e ka sembi tia judge bi ye na ye be testify say he was hauled before the law court 2021 na some making and no court law court e ma no e ko ye nsem pi e ma e ko edru ba bi no kwa no me be ka bibi wo san komo no e fi hey daddy ai kwekwana no sheche e na me yesa na me yesa e no time be me nyama na bros 1001 the same person kwekwana so me block it no from say uncle can say me so hey kwekwana so on makwan e makwa me Japan flow no e say e ho nsem bubuja makweku the can we ni na no there is a thing thread an element of say as a journalist no ufu enioma nipa no o hu kwan so beka ene de oni hu kwan so onka Kofi Adoma na anya ne sa Kofi Adoma no ehwe ne ma o ka say I 77 previous o kana to anfa se bi anka ho o say I wo enkwala egu ho ti se preko no oh really da wa anto said you the atosumi no minimze wi ase ha ye we ye bidifo mu a ye ti ha yi a ye san wo Ghana ha yi ade ba ko etadi twa nipa mbo an 77 previous sebe enyado ye si nipa no wa wonti eno ni etumi di twa mpo a wo ko abrochi abrofo no mu a wo yo wan wo enye issue ma wo mo after enquiry e den enya wo how enso Ghana ha de wan wo bi ezi hey asem na fa na yese kwa me Japan na wo bi gu honom 20 something eni anana wafo nya aka ho na de ye ni be sam e wo mu ne se kwa me Japan be catch say no and pride The pride is to see the children all around him. Another Kenya, Nigegezi and the likes of Kofi Adumanum and Shadi say, and Kwalano Munyehine out of the 22 children of Kennedy Japan, Umunyehine and Omati say will be demanding school fees, caretaking, and I said, dear Bensika, if you be home. Now again, I tell you this to the Nigegezi and Kofi Adumanum. Say, and Kwalano Muba Kokrampu, school fees are Kotia, and they show Momina Coco School Navy. A new school fees may be it's in Nigegezi auditorium, no, okay? If you can't ask them with you, I won't call us 7 Precono, there, wash home and on show me, or better school fees if you are media. What can't you do me, Venema? If you soon Palano Crana, what you said, what won't crash a Precon, would be example, crowd or cast enemy a day. And that would be John the watch now, also say, cut out, Takateo, the day. Of Nigeria is on call Legon. Yanum Yanko Legon, or no, if you who your own cat and a cateno, a finest and a yesi. Oh, say Nipa Wuti ho, may a cat some less also as some winter, now won't go on a sebi, or any Yamahu soon, any Ahmoma soon sooner. They do Kuni, oh, see, I did the good run of my crew. But we're more serious than we are seeing. For you to say that, me. A bumpire, Miguswe bumpire. Na Miguswe bumpire so be in the first place it's a threat. And the laws of Ghana has a place in that language of Nigeria. Anybody at the hearing in Tiemi. So in the laws of Ghana, that statement has a place in the law. So Uka se Miguswe bumpire mano. Indeed, the person yes, of course, the person the churches has a place in the law because when Timin Kokanju be say, me bumpire 8 yenny pano, say, on you say, oh, any baby antemasia. At the time, Antonio Quabuache, na yetina 2 na ye jumano. Antonio Kobe now you see, as some we are making office of the president, Mr. President, listen to me with the greatest of respect. I repeat, Mr. President of this republic, there are lots of things that we question and you may shame wrong. And the media some MPP for no one and said 2022 they should a bully a shame wrong. So one you're careful. That's what we do. Master, for beginning 2022 about our software ones and I swear God, it couldn't be putting the best shit. Come on, Tony Quadrobo, Chijan, not sorry fee. I know rainy cases on me, or rainy cases on Kennedy Japan, and not the office of the president if only move. No, but when I started revealing, say, Papa, we almost to me, John, my boomy, so I don't go. Your mumpire woman so your moya bumpire toy at a war at the mawom, no mumpire, hey, no more. Do you know what that means? When you get him, what I say? Why do you say, and no way I a decay, the power of life and death lies in it. Maybe let me hear me do ma. Antonio Kobe watching, let me hear me do now. It was my job to expose him, say, oh, Timmy Marbon, Tim McCann, Nipa da Senise, Mename Mawakwala, Maje, Mename Mamuska, Intimaje, wa ma me kuna fa. My responsibility as a journalist was to broadcast and to the Kodebuache. False doctrines are not there to her. That's bottom line. Until no me sa cases, no year cases, we never in on what found on order, the year and I meant to walk out them, Yarian person, and you may then know. But then the German said, never me, we are sitting who said, at the end of the tale, no, Papa Nenda, or no, I read out. Not me broadcast to the Kodebuache seminar when they fell so, but I was informing Ghanaians to know what time is it. We know the office of the president was issuing a lot of calls left, right, and center. Some more things to the if you see the idea that pressure came from the office of the president. But Castle 2022, I'm not going to cover anybody. I'm not going to cover anybody. He's the friend of the president. Into oh, really? Really? na odi bonitia Ghana for ne de enu office of the president me hu it is office of the president enu me hu ana what can some way asem kesi eti say no threaten Ghanaians innocent people or threaten them na say for in the name of God no and in the office of the president the me hu and respectfully me do obuo any die na me de ma presidency no till me twa so Ghana for ni tie me ye mo sorry ana kwekwa na ena wakwaje bribe ena we twa so ena sasa na yeah bema power I tell you what I'm a man enough and I'm not scared of any human being born by a woman. I've always said this and over. But once I send you on a na copy with their copy na you born any day be na me am penny for the purposes of sex assembly based quickly see this na say can be na main tinyanka o me Japan can say wo e ba ko e wi asamasa so which is wait she do almost have papa ni ye wo ho o di George to be nara 2022 nipa bo apam share so mbegu nipa ni mu ase free IGP former IGP free former IGP and e ba hwan and e ko wie hin ensem to and o mu na mo he bebre mo amonka kai why let me succeed here to get that job done listen me to you and the only there ne ono kwabna gaze no if you don't know ko wie no now the laws of Ghana take care same way upper a different course altogether na ahano be de kwaku me nasem no me ne no nasem no obi anim se me de na court take over mo ho amobenya ho breaking news we obeka me papa Kwame Japan me nim de Kwame Japan beka wo ho ene nhehye omoye me nim sukra no enya de metimi so communicate ama the global world the best no me as we be free ba but I tell you say enyama to gu ho no mo a Nyankopon ya aduma ye be hye January kwaku ewi be pundodo Ghana for no amoa na moto ne enra mo amudi mani hu enwa ma ninam social media chaka kwabna gezi be catch Ghana for ewo Captain Smart programs so say me wo mo me naked video bia me ye den wo mo de ba na fa na sia na ye say nti sa video na eba ono no be save me den ne kwa later nkomo bia koso within the corridors ema sa nkomo no wache nipa jodi video na eba osofo bi ka ho ose maame bi o US me nsa ka omu na sa nkofo deny flat so omu nim ho hwe the question remains say anamo ben na sa nkofo no omu ne Nigerians wu a omu tio papa gezi zi entitwa sa ansem ni na so makate so no itwa so enye I'll go to the bottom of it because and keep we num tron and a causes and some way na deba and I say munyai so for the nya good one so munyai it is o muntia say eduma no ne akwantu no mbe so mo Ghana fo no tu me kwaku unim me amom kwa ma sa akwantu no muntu price before to ma akwantu yes sa akwantu na e maso price before to omodie Methodist food to omodie Anglican food to omodie kama boni bia ma omakwem womu na ne namkwem womu ne namkwem a omoko womu namkwem edi enti na charismatic ministry wo Ghana de sa ko into we munko mu tu a na ayetare ayetuma mentwi edi india because mo star na modeba eni sa boni ni na da ni kuhwe samno ade amodi asay nipa che 40 years ne afi na 20 day dia ebewie eni esi munya ntempa na nti mogya ewirem ne kwaye bi mu anoma toto afa ho na mko babuzo munya ya ene eda ho no enu a enko na wie no na video ne na mabonten kwabna gezi so wo hyempem so wo hye sofa chair bi ne ni titete ho no mu a wo hwe de ababa a wetu ho mo ye omo ho ho a na ni kan yi. You see, that is say Rawi, come na niaba. Mafia. Okay, I've been aware of many ani mafia. You see, come na me say we tie me. Kwan bia so wo fa so wo di tie me no. Enkomo bi akoso nyini na na mitimi da ne die, but me maka kire no. Ke omo mere omo ho ase. Omumra omwase omu na omu ye nianom asofo we no omu ye sa nemo we no omu ye nianom omunya idio moyen wo se wakọ university eduma hodo bebre o wa betimi aya sebe wonsa be ko ano ba emfa adwen kese da wutiri mu a eye sebio eye trickit adwen no emfa emegina Ghana for no konso on the very grounds of womadwini mu ha ninti ye wo kwan fa so ye dada nipa nti ye wo kwan fa so ye boni pepo nti ye wo kwan fa so ye tinchim nipa nti na ni na so no wo ya obetimi succeed na wa ye ninti no wa dwen o se sa kwan we si na mefa there be onyame ntia e wo ho ma wo iti baby enam sisi ano ye na shafie too much with the pressure that pressure means to say that na ye be shafie anu odin kweku anu odin wo hwe gezi nankasa oka akire Ghana for e woni interview bi a one obo bi aye e wo TV Africa me sure say no obi enye bi a wo ka ono ankasa identify na all done so ahye Ghana for the monhwe so be say wo say kifum anyway mu no oye fake pastor prophet ni bishop or the dan you may be brady e was our interview ni mu show enwe chi na no enwe ya na wankasa na wo kansa aso ne anonchi no ekuta wonsam na wo keka nsam ba 50 kwabna wo ye hwan a who are you me go